It was December 2015. A terrorist attack in San Bernardino left 14 dead, and the FBI recovered one of the shooter's iPhones. The government had one goal: break into that phone fast. But there was a problem. It was locked with Apple's encryption. Even the FBI couldn't crack it. So they turned to Apple and demanded help. Unlock the phone. Build a tool. Give us a way in. But Apple said no. Not because they supported terrorism, but because saying yes meant creating a backdoor into every iPhone on Earth. The FBI wasn't asking Apple to just unlock one phone. They wanted Apple to create a new version of iOS, a crippled version, one that could bypass security features. To Apple, that was the nightmare scenario. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, released an open letter. He called it dangerous. He warned that once a backdoor exists, it could be used by anyone, hackers, foreign governments, or even the US government again in the future. The government argued lives were at stake, that Apple was putting principles over safety. Even Donald Trump chimed in, calling for a boycott of Apple. The public was divided. Privacy vs. security. Principles vs. protection. But Apple didn't budge. This is not a case about one phone, Cook said. This is about the future. Other tech giants like Google and Facebook backed Apple because they knew if Apple gave in, no one's data would ever be truly safe again. In the end, the FBI dropped the case. They reportedly paid a third party over $1 million to unlock the phone without Apple's help. But the fight didn't end there. That moment became a turning point not just for Apple, but for the entire tech industry. It drew a hard line. Even under extreme pressure, privacy couldn't be compromised. And Apple's refusal? It set a new standard in the war between freedom and control.